July 17th, 2020, coming along here. This is proving to be extremely tedious. I probably say the same thing with every mosaic drawing combo. Just got to get the small dental tools out. Just like an enormous amount of grout cleaning to do. Even getting the tape off the edges of the frames, the outside of the wood frames is tedious. Okay, do a little bit more here for the camera. I've got good moral aesthetic support from the Mazel Yeramovich and the Sipala Haidala Vikala parakeet singing duo over there, who were listening to Georges Moustaki, the late great Egyptian-born French-Jewish singer. Of course, Leonard Cohen is described as like the Canadian Georges Moustaki. And what's going on there now? Doing some exercising, very good. And yeah, afternoon brunch, very good. Okay, there you have it for now. I've got to put this down and get the vacuum cleaner up and out and get some of these dozens of particles removed. Okay, there you have it for today.